Hey guys, Brian here. We just came up to, where are we? We're
at the lake.
Ponce de Leon, I think. Anyway,
And
look at all the, oh, look at these sheep's head down here. I don't know if you can see that through the glare.
Josie won't hurt.
Can you guys see all that?
No. Dragonflies won't hurt me.
Probably not from the glare.
Yours is floating. Wait,
That is.
Hey.
Oh yeah, bunch of sheep's head.
Yours is floating too. Mine. Dragonflies won't hurt you, Josie.
Anyway, it's just a little pond they have. My wife is up there doing she's going to do a remodel here, so we just came and they said we could walk down here and check out, do a little nature walk. Don't stick your head over the side. Look, if you look down, well, look under the water, you'll see the fish. Let's see if I can see them for you.
Yeah, you'll see some fish.
They're right underneath us. Look right down here, Josie. You see them? Look under the thing, by the pole. Look by the pole.
I see him. I see him. How about we name him Slamsongus? Let's name him Slamsongus. Oh my goodness.
Slamsongus, the sheep's head fish.
I almost pushed that off. Hey, Dad, I almost pushed that off.
Pushed what off?
Dad, I almost pushed that off.
Oh, well, don't push on it.
What happens? It will fall off.
No, it's just got an outside on it. It won't fall.
Where is it?
Listen, there's absolutely no falling in. This is against the rule. If you fall in, I will come in after you, but do not fall in.
You won't come out. You'll come in? No, give me one. Give me all of it. I'll go first. Okay? No, I'll go first.
Oh, you made them run.
They're floating.
Josie, you see that fish down there?
I see. Oh, I see a fish.
Don't lean over too far.
I see a big fish. That's a mommy. I see a fish.
Those are sheep's head and
fish. Ooh, I see fish. Fishes.
Speckled trout.
Fishes.
Boy, that thing is full of them. This must be brass water here.
A mermaid is somewhere in this water. I know.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Well, if you think so.
I think so. Because, look. Maybe a mermaid's in this water, maybe not. Or maybe there's a skeleton. Or maybe there's a
They have a ton of these sheep's head in there.
Okay. The mermaids are cool. They don't walk, they fall.
Look at the sky. Oh, look at that halo.
They don't walk like us. We have legs.
Boy, I would love to be out on a piece of property like this. She says it runs for 20 miles.
I'm going to do this.
That's a heck of a... Stay right here.
Hey, Dad, can I put this in the water?
Josie, don't you slip and fall in there. Get your rear away from the edge.
Can I put this in the
No,
water?
leave it there.
Why?
Because it's theirs and they have it there for a reason. Put it back in.
Mine's not
Don't. Hey, listen. Don't get so close to the edge there, Missy.
Just singing mine.
Don't get close to the edge, Miss Lunsford. That's it. You're not listening very well.
Just sing it.
Hey, let's look at this reflection of this.
I'll go back in a second. I will go back to in a second without you.